Hello everyone, today I will show the performance of advanced PD monitor APD-Ch1. Today's setup is like this. This one is PD signal generator. This one is PD sensor, and this one is combiner. Now I combine the PD signal and noise signal. The combined signal is displayed here. The noise channel, on the noise channel, you can see this one is PD signal generated from here, and the other signal is noise generated from here and captured by this sensor and displayed all around here. And you can see there is so much noise, and the green belt is the PD signal. And I will put this signal to the TQ plus channel. I will see what will happen. And you can see only PD signal is detected, even though it is smaller than the noise. You can see, as you can see, the PD signal is smaller than noise. The noise signal is bigger than PD signal, and TQ pulse module capture only PD signal even if PD signal is smaller than noise signal.